This is Big Shot Vince reporting from his bedroom. I will not be attending downtown until later tonight with the after parties. Hope to see you guys all there. Yeah, buddy. To go hang out with my parents and their friends, and then Dirty Bird after party. Yeah, buddy. Good Sunday afternoon and evening, everybody. In Snapchat world, Snapchat land. Hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. Yeah, buddy.
Okay, put it away. So the big
Sangria. Just having some sangria before I go downtown later. Yeah, buddy. In the car, about to go to Detroit. See how it goes tonight. Gonna have to wait in line to get my ticket, though. That's alright. I'm in the D, baby. Yeah, buddy.
It doesn't look like
Just
there's
made
a
it
line.
inside for the Fillmore.
I'll just wait right behind Enterprise.
Yeah, buddy. One of the first people in lines for tickets that just opened. Yeah, buddy.
First person.
Very first person. Yeah, buddy. Just got my VIP Dirty Bird ticket. Yeah, buddy. Having some more sangria before I go to the concert. I'll see everybody at Dirty Bird concert tonight. Get wild. Yeah, buddy. On my way to Dirty Bird in an Uber cab. Yeah, buddy. Just waiting in line for a Dirty Bird show. Keeping it real. Yeah, buddy. They're open. Fillmore's open. Dirty Bird show. It's time. We're doing it. We're doing it. Got my favorite drink, Long Island. About to party hard at Dirty Bird concert. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Well, this is just all right. Well, we're right. All right.
2, 3, go.
Burn up! Yeah, buddy!
Yeah, buddy! Yeah, woo! Bird up.
Dirty Bird concert is the shit. I don't care what you guys say, it's the shit. That's how I do it. Style. was a great show. I recommend everybody going to it. Yeah, buddy. Dirty Bird. 10th reunion. Yeah, buddy. Got done with the show. About to wait. I'm waiting for my Uber right now, but Dirty Bird, it rocked. Dirty Bird is the shit. I'm in my Uber, about to go home to Shelby. Had a great night at Dirty Bird. Love you guys all. See you tomorrow. Got back in, out of my Uber, back in the TWIP. Had a great time downtown. Yeah, buddy. Literally, I feel like an idiot right now. I didn't realize that Uber cab was going to be that much to get back home. Not happy with that. Happy Memorial Day to all the veterans and all the people who served. Yeah, buddy. Look at my new bed frame. This is my room, everybody. This is where Big Shot sleeps. Where the action should happen, but it doesn't. Try jump, Benny. Try jump. Go. Try. Boom. We can't. Keep doing it. Keep trying. Come on. Jump. He made it. Nice boy. Yeah, buddy. Good boy.